Pennsylvania for you. Best view you're gonna get out here. Beautiful Pennsylvania day. Nice waterfall we're gonna start out at. Try and catch a couple.
And a big my man for y'all. C4 Carolina, you know what it is. Because she.
What the fuck is going on down there?
Horse to the Tennessee. And yeah, she. Lots. Right. Then go my leader.
Just some shit to get me back and forth.
Smallmouth on fucking Loyalsock.
Wait, I think police is at the
Ouch. Always use the 2-hooker. It's okay. We'll make it happen. Don't follow me. Got a monster hog here. The 8-weight action. Came right off. It's okay. There's more hogs to be caught. Ouch! Right in the fucking hook. So what's happening here? We're fucking gonna go get an underwater fucking footage of this guy released. He's biting the shit out of my thumb. He's ready to roll, I'll tell you that. Brown trout. Palomino. Oh, no, I lied, dude. Decent brown trout, guys. That's why you do the articulated, because you only got the back hook. Love it. See you, guy. Back hogging them. Yeah, that's it for the trip. Decent float down the Loyalsock in Pennsylvania. Can't wait to get out on the next one. Gotta go work for 5 days, then I'll be right back at it. Catch ya. So what we got going on today, we are at Muncy Creek, and first time fishing it, I'm gonna be throwing the Ned rig. Austin's gonna be throwing the fly and the fly rod, the Game Changer, and we're gonna try to hog them. This fucker's been caught a couple times. Alright guys, well, just threw a fucking first cast in here up on the bridge and got us about a teensy one. I'll let you go. Awesome. See if we can't do it once fucking more. Must have just been a fluke accident. I was close to that wall, like that. Oh, didn't get shit on that one. Brought another spinning rod too.
This shit's deep as fuck right here.
We'll manage. Cast it fucking out there. What the fuck's going on?
Bro, we could easily float this in the raft.
Alright. About 80 some today in Pennsylvania. Don't get those too often here. Bet you there's a fucking fish over there. What's up? We'll just test the waters over here. Yep, told ya. Told ya. Beautiful guy. Come here, guy. Another one. Awesome. There's got to be a big one in here somewhere, guys. Go a little bit deeper in the hole. Must have been the only one in there. Over there by that tree looks good. Over by that bridge pier. But I just got a sneaky feeling that there's a monster in here. Oh. Stick pounder. We're using the PB&J Ned rig today. Got these at Walmart last night. Yep, that's a good cast. Yep. Oh, that's the tree. I just hogged one.
I saw it.
Bet you there's a couple in here like that.
Water ain't that bad.
Bro, this water feels immaculate. Right up by that rock there should be one. I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna sit outside over there.
Let's see what's going on with it. I think it's June 12th and the creek is hot. I mean, it is warm. I think this is a spring creek, if I'm not mistaken. Back by that log, there should be a hog. Yeah, that's a great cast. You get a cast on that thing.
I'll take my goddamn shirt off.
Literally.
We're acting like it's still bugging Mark.
Yeah, oh yeah. I cannot believe I haven't caught one right now.
Bro, this is fun as fuck before. And it's, you gotta think how low this shit is.
Yeah, I know. You could come down this in the drift boat.
You come down this in the drift boat usually after next week. It's supposed to rain after the next Sunday.
Yeah, I've seen that shit, bro. I got a rock under my foot. There it goes. Floated right to the top. I know there's a fish back there. It's just if he's gonna bite or not. Oh, that was a monster hog. Got him again.
Got him back.
Wasn't the guy I had bite, but damn it, I'll sure take it. Yep, decent little guy. Awesome. Get on another one. Make sure not to get that poison oak on me. Decent monster drop off. Fucking bass bed right here. There's a bass bed like right on my feet. Yeah, right there. Well, was. I'll let that PB&J get in some sunlight. Let it work. Stuck to the bone there, guys. There's gotta be some way back in that slow moving stuff. Good thing that guy from yesterday isn't here. He'd be fucking tweaking out. From that house. Are you guys throwing vegetation in the water? So, Jesus, buddy. It's a creek. Trees fall. It might be a good fish. Mine it don't fuck around. About the size we've been catching them all day. Decent guy here. There we go, guys. Fucking smallmouth. He just hit my leg. Re-rig up. Ready to roll. I knew I was gonna get one out of there at some point. He's throwing a game changer. We got a tournament coming up. I used the drift boat. It's gonna be awesome.
Another one?
Fighting motherfuckers. Oh, get out of my legs. Get out of my legs. He just spiked the shit out of me on my leg. Oh, come here, dog. Got him. There's the bail here. Pop the hook out. There we go. Another smallmouth bass. See you, guy. We're looking for about a 4, maybe 5 pounder today. I'll take 3, I'd be happy with. Throwing this fucking, I think I've caught about 5 fish today. Been here for about 15 minutes. There's got to be grandfather over here. Yep, that's exactly where I want to be. Floating in that stuff. Oh, that might have been a fish or just bottom, I'm not sure. He hit all that. I'm gonna cut over here to this island. Right after the ripples on the left side, there's a big eddy. So we are gonna try and make it happen. Guys, if you don't know already, this is where the monster trout sit. I'm gonna try to catch one. It is ripping pretty fast. It's a good area to get fucking, good area to retie. You want a Ned rig? You want a Ned rig? Gonna rig Austin up here with the Ned rig. He's gonna be throwing on his 8-weight clear water with a Lamson reel. If you don't have one of them, you should probably go buy one. With the Scientific Angler's line, you cannot beat it. I fished with it for 2 days straight. Gets tangled a little bit, but it is nice line, I'll have to tell you. There's that for you, sir. Mondo PB&J. Dude, that right by them rocks down there. Yep. So we're rocking with right there. Purple. What color was that? Like an orangish tan?
Butter color.
Color of peanut butter. It's awesome. He's running 20-pound leader to 17-pound leader. Yeah. Make it happen.